Hi everyone, my name is Urvin and this video is for my 5.2D task, which is a distinction task. And in this task I have to uh, catch the readings from the Arduino and then upload these readings to the database via Python script, and then I have to fetch those readings and generate a graph. So here is my working for the database, which is MongoDB, and this you can see is the Arduino sketch, where I have used the MQTT protocol. For this I have to use the server credentials such as the broker link and my username and password. So here you can see the readings generated, but these readings must be generated in the MQTT protocol, which is the Hive MQ. So I'll be showing you this. Okay, so here you can see these Hive MQ cloud. This is an MQTT server where the readings are fetched over here in the messages. As you can see, these are the readings I have taken for half an hour. So these readings must be now uploaded to the database, which I will, and my first database is MongoDB. So okay, so before showing you my database, this is my Python script file in which I have used to connect with the database with the MQTT server. So here are my credentials over here, and this is my MongoDB URI. So as you can see in the output here, it connects with the MQTT broker, and then the data from the MQTT that I have shown you in the last clip, this data is then sent to the database, which is MongoDB, and saved over the database. Now I'll be showing you my database. Okay, so this is MongoDB Atlas, which is a non-SQL database similar like Firebase, which I have used in the last task. And here are the readings stored from the Python script to this. Like here you can see X, Y, Z are the coordinates, and the Python script saves these readings along with a timestamp. And these are about readings of 30 minutes approx. So the next step is how I have downloaded this data as a CSV format file. For this I have installed the MongoDB Compass, which can be directly downloaded from the MongoDB Atlas itself. And here you just need to enter your URI, which is generated over here. Like I can show you in the connect section like this. Here you can see the compass, and you just simply have to paste this URI along with your MongoDB password in this application, and here you can see all the readings, and the main motive is to download the whole data in a CSV format. So by just clicking on the export data, export the full collection, you can download the whole data. And here is my data, this one. Here you can see is my CSV data I have downloaded here, and similarly I have plotted the graph, and the code for the same is here you can see I have used the CSV file and have created 3 variables, and then uploaded this data in to generate the graph, and here is my graph obtained. So thank you. Hi everyone, this is Urvin again, and I am here with a different database with the same procedures as the previous one. So first of all, here's my Arduino sketch, which is almost the same, like exact the same. Okay, so from here the readings are being taken by the Arduino here, and these readings are then sent to the MQTT as the previous one, and then these readings are then fetched from MQTT by the Python script, and from the Python script they are then stored in the database. And from here the MQTT is responsible for catching the readings. Here you can see the readings, and these readings are then fetched by Python script and then sent to the database to store in the database. So here is my Python script file. As you can see, this is for the parse database, and these are the outputs for the Python script, and these are saved to the parse data, which is the class of database which I have created named as parse data, where all these values are stored along with the timestamp. So here is my database. Here you can see this is the parse data, and here you can see along with the timestamp, here is the timestamp, here is the X reading, Y reading and Z reading, and these readings are also almost an half an hour. So okay, so the next step is to download the data in an CSV format. So here you can directly download the CSV data uh, by export all rows by clicking on this tab, and this will ask you to select the export type. We will select the .csv and we will write this, and then click on the export, and we can download the file. Here you can see parse data which has been downloaded here, and according to the file I have made the graph Python script for generating a graph for the following data, and here is what the graph look like. So I have successfully completed the steps for performed for the MongoDB as well as for the parts. Thank you.